Join me as I let an AI pick my keywords for an entire week and see if it can boost my content. One of the most intriguing aspects of content creation is the role of keywords. How do we choose the right words that will make our content shine and reach the intended audience? That's why I'm excited to share with you an experiment I've been conducting, where I let an AI take the reins and choose my keywords for me. If I'm being honest, selecting effective keywords can be daunting. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is constantly changing and the needle is a moving target. I've spent countless hours researching, brainstorming, and testing different keywords, only to find that they're not quite right. It's frustrating, to say the least. That's why I thought, why not let a machine learn algorithm do the heavy lifting for me? After all, AI is designed to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, so surely it can help me find the perfect keywords. I've struggled with manually selecting keywords that accurately represent my content and appeal to my target audience. It's a delicate balance between relevance, competition, and creativity. And let's be real, sometimes I just can't shake off the feeling that I'm missing out on a crucial keyword that could make all the difference. So, I decided to take a step back and let AI take over the task of keyword selection. I was curious to see if it could come up with something that I might have overlooked or if it would simply confirm my own biases. When I started exploring AI-powered keyword tools, I was overwhelmed by the number of options available. Each one promised to revolutionize my content creation process, but I needed to narrow it down to one that would fit my specific needs. I looked at factors such as the algorithm's complexity, the tool's user interface, and the accuracy of its keyword suggestions. After weighing my options, I settled on a tool that seemed to strike the perfect balance between innovation and usability. As I fed my content into the AI tool, I was excited to see what it would come up with. Would it spit out a list of keywords that I'd already thought of, or would it surprise me with some unexpected suggestions? I was also curious to see how its performance would compare to my own manual efforts. I set the parameters, clicked the button, and waited with bated breath for the results. The AI-generated keywords were both fascinating and unexpected. Some were spot on, while others were complete curveballs. I was surprised by how well the AI had understood my content and identified keywords that I wouldn't have thought of on my own. Of course, there were some duds in the mix, but overall, I was impressed by the AI's ability to think outside the box. One of the standout keywords was something I wouldn't have considered in a million years. It was a long-tail phrase that targeted a specific niche within my target audience. I was skeptical at first, but as I started incorporating it into my content, I saw a significant increase in engagement from that specific demographic. It was as if the AI had stumbled upon a hidden gem that I'd been overlooking. In the end, using AI for keyword selection was a game changer for my content creation process. Not only did it save me time and effort, but it also brought a fresh perspective to the table. Of course, there were some hiccups along the way, but the overall benefits far outweighed the drawbacks. So, what do you think? Are you Team AI or Team Human when it comes to keyword selection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious to learn more about AI and content creation, be sure to check out my next video, where I dive deeper into the world of machine learning and its applications in the creative industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.